Zimbabwe may be standing on the edge of a divine political shift. Prophet Obey Tichafa Mkanayiri has just made a bold and cryptic public call to Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and the message is sending shockwaves through social media. What could it mean? Could this be a spiritual alert or the beginning of a prophetic mission? Let's break it down. Prophet Obey Tichafa Mkanayiri is no stranger to controversy or divine accuracy. Over the years, many of his prophecies have come to pass, from political shifts to natural disasters and personal prophecies. This man has been consistent, and now when he speaks, people listen. On Facebook, Prophet Obey posted directly, "Advocate Nelson Chamisa, can I talk to you? It's time we have a meaningful conversation." What could this mean? Tell us what you think in the comment section below. This is not the first time Zimbabwean prophets have hinted at political movements in the spiritual, but this one feels different. Could Obey be warning Chamisa or preparing for a divine assignment? Remember, in the Bible, prophets were sent to kings with both encouragement and correction. Is Chamisa being summoned not to politics, but to purpose? What could Prophet Obey be trying to say? Could it be a prophecy about Zimbabwe's future leadership, a call to spiritual repositioning, a warning about coming events? Whatever it is, one thing is clear: Zimbabwe is watching and the spirit is moving. Do you think Nelson Chamisa will respond? Is this a prophetic moment in our nation's history, or just a public post with private meaning? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you believe Zimbabwe is not just in the hands of men, but also in the hands of God.